we have given two curves. So first we will find intersection points. Let me put to the first equation y is equal to x cubed. So it will be 2x cubed to second power is equal 4x. So we have 2 to second power, so will be 4x, x to third to second power, so it will be x to sixth power. And I will move 4x to the left side, so will be minus 4x equals 0. We can factorize 4x, so we will have x to fifth power minus 1 is equal 0. So x is equal 0, and we have a second equation, x is equal 1. Solution for the second, because 1 to fifth power is 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have x's, so to find the y coordinates we have to substitute x by 0. We can choose which you want equation. We can put to the first, so for x equals 0 we will have y squared is equal 0, so y is equal 0. And for x equals 1 we will have 2 times 1 is 2. So we have intersection points. Now we can draw the graph. Y-axis and x-axis. We have 0, 0 and 1. For 1 we have value 2. The first graph is y squared equals 4x. This is parabola. Parabola symmetric about x-axis. So let me find the value. For 0 we have 0. This is our first point. For 1 we have 2. For y equals 1 is 1 over 4. And for negative 1 it will be 1 over 4 2. So our parabola is like something like this. This is our y squared equals 4x function, and next we have y equals 2x cubed. So let's check how this function behaves for x equals 1/2. We will have 2 times 1 over 8, so we have 1 over 4 value. And for negative 1 over 2, we will have negative 1 over 8 times 2 is negative 1 over 4. We have our function y equals 2x cubed is something like this. It's going to positive infinity from negative infinity. This is our y equals 2x cubed. Next, we see that we have to find this area between these two curves. This area is between 0 and 1. The upper function is this part of our parabola. Because y squared is equal 4x, so y is equal plus minus square root of 4x. But this part of our parabola has positive values, so we have to put here y is equal square root of 4x. So now we can write that our area is equal integral from 0 to 1, upper function is square root of 4x minus the lower function is 2x cubed with respect to x. So this is equal. We can rewrite first expression. We have integral from 0 to 1 of square root of 4 is 2, will be x to power 1/2, because square root of x is x to power 1/2 minus 2x cubed dx. This is equal. 2 we will copy. Integral of x to 1/2 power is x to 3 over 2 power over 3 over 2 will be minus 2. Integral of x cubed is x to 4th power over 4. And we have limits from 0 to 1. So this is equal 2 times 2 over 3 x to power 3 over 2 minus, we can reduce 2 with 4, so will be 1/2 x to 4th power, and integration limits we have from 0 to 1. So this is equal, we have 4 over 3, and now we have to plug upper limit, so will be 1 to power 3 over 2 is still 1, so it will be 4 over 3 minus, and we have 1/2 times 1 to 4 power is 1/2. So now we have to plug the lower limit, but for x equals 0, this expression will be 0 and the second will be 0, so we don't have to write this. So this is equal. We can find the common denominator will be 6, so it will be 8 minus 3. So this is equal 5 over 6. Of course, square units. This is my solution.